Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'm going to be talking about the overall market environment for Bitcoin, and quite frankly it doesn't look good. It looks like we are going to have another leg down for cryptos overall as the stock market crashes. Bitcoin and altcoins are more likely to crash. Bitcoin follows the S&P 500, whereas the top 100 altcoins follow Bitcoin, and the altcoins underneath the top 100, they follow what the top 100 are doing. So if we see red in the S&P 500, we are likely going to see red in Bitcoin, and that will trickle down to all of the altcoins as well. So with that said, let's go to the chart. So firstly, what I want to discuss is the Bitcoin halvenings. Now, we had one in 2012. Before we had the halvening in 2012, we had a little pump. We came out of the bear market, and then we absolutely rallied through the bull market doors to the high. It wasn't too much longer around December 2013, we started another bear market. We got to the low of this bear market in January 2015, where we went sideways for quite a few months until we started going back up just before the Bitcoin halvening and then exploding after the Bitcoin halvening. There is a formula you can do, which the Fibonacci sequence really helps for this. You drag it from the high of the previous bull market, well, to the 2012 bull market, to the low of the bear market, and we can see the bull market doors just here between $670 to $930 per share. Once we got through there, we absolutely rallied hundreds of percentages, and that was the next bull cycle. The next time we hit our high was December 1st, 2017. So again, December, and this time around December again, 2017. We're in a bear market for a couple of years. We had a little pump inside the bear market. We went sideways, but we started going up just before the Bitcoin halvening. As you can see, we came all the way down to around 4,000, and then we spiked up to 9,000 before we entered the period where we had the Bitcoin halvening. And then it shot through the previous high. It went through the bull market doors, and we did reach our high of around $69,000 for Bitcoin. Right now, normally in a bear market, we go down 85%. We haven't had that yet. We haven't had that yet, guys, and we are looking for that. I am thinking that Bitcoin could go down to 13K to 10K, and I have a plan for that, and I suggest you have a plan to either follow this plan that I'm about to say or follow your own plan. So let's have a look what's going on right now. If we come off the monthly and we go into the weekly, I won't be going into the hourly or 4-hourly time frames with you today, because I'm only getting the macro perspective of what the markets are going to be doing. So November 2021, we have just gone down and down and down. We have had Celsius, we've had Luna, we have FTX all collapsing. We have a load of other big cryptocurrencies that have absolutely crashed and that have crashed the markets with them. There has been billions and billions of pounds lost in this bear market, like there was in previous bear markets. Now, I say we normally retrace 85%. If we were to retrace 85%, where would that take us? So that would take us around 10,000. Think about that for a second. 10,000 per Bitcoin. Like, that's absolutely insane. So in my opinion, I don't care if I get the exact bottom. Everybody wants to time the bottom. I can say with experience, you are not going to exactly time the bottom. What I can say, though, is right now we are in a bear flag formation with the price target of 13,000. Now, if 13,000 is the bottom, I will be more than happy with my positions in crypto. I'll be more than happy with the bags I am holding. The question is, will you? The question is, have you started to accumulate yet? Because the moment it touched this orange rectangle, I started to accumulate. It came back up, I stopped accumulating. But as soon as it drops back into this, I will start accumulating little by little. When it comes into the red, I will be more aggressive with that accumulation plan. If it falls into the green, I will be chucking thousands and thousands and thousands into cryptos. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But I will say now, I will beg you to get into Bitcoin at 12, 11,000. It will be life-changing for me, for you, and for anyone else in the world that gets into Bitcoin at these prices. I will even say now, even if you get into Bitcoin now and you don't leave it until it's 10K, I mean, even if it goes to 10K, I'm not saying it will, it might not, but that's only a 30% move. But in the whole grand scheme of things, a 30% move isn't a lot of money. It's not a lot. It's not a big move, guys. Even if it goes down to the price target, that's only minus 20%. And if it goes sideways for a year, so what? You could be down 20% for a year, but you're not going to lose because you're not going to be taking your profits. So this is why I say, guys, have a plan. Don't take anything anyone says on YouTube as financial advice. Seek advice from your own technical analysis, from your own fundamental analysis. Do your own due diligence, and do not take your eye off the ball, whatever you do. With that said, guys, I implore you to stay on your toes in this market. We could crash another 20, 30, 40%, but I am absolutely prepared to stick around. And if it goes down that much, I'm not scared. I'm not going to be scared. I'm not going to panic sell when everybody else starts panic selling. When we get into extreme fear, guys, that is when people are going to be scared. But I say to you now, do not be scared. Now, for my prediction of the bear market, I believe the bear market will end in around 2024. I reckon the Fed will pause monetary policy for a short amount of time. I'm not sure how long they're going to be pausing it for, but I'm sure it will happen sometime in 2023. As soon as we reach 2% inflation in America, the Fed will start quantitative easing, and when they put on the money printer again, everything will start to go back up again. But I implore you guys, when we see a 10K, 11K, 12K, 13K Bitcoin, do not think it's going to go lower. We'll just get in when it goes lower. Why not? It's going to go lower anyway, so I'm not going to miss out. I'm just going to get in when it's lower. You could miss out. You could miss out big time, and you could miss out on making tens, hundreds, thousands, even millions of pounds in the next bull cycles. But I implore you to do your due diligence, stay on your toes, stay humble. Otherwise, you'll be humbled by the market. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video.